My glory doesn't happen in front of a crowd, it doesn't happen in a stadium or on a stage. There are no medals handed out. It happened in the darkness of the early morning, in solitude, where I try and I try and I try again. Hi, I am Parthasarthi. I am different thinker and Indian citizen. I am studying in Vivekananda Institute of Management Studies in Kovilpalayam, Coimbatore. Whatever I do it great, and that will show my character to the people who are around me. I attained many of certificates in my school day to tell right now. Achievement. The remarkable achievement has been reflected in more equitable income distribution. The successful achievement is the previous benchmark is ascribed to the undivided command which their most achievement has been their accurate knowledge of the Indian methods of farming. I am also excellent in PowerPoint, Excel, a artist. Can you imagine a world without an art? I wouldn't want to artists color our world, they inspire us. My hobby is drawing. I draw pictures of people, animals and birds. I spend my free time drawing pictures and I love drawing. A different thinker. Strong mind discuss ideas, average mind discuss events, weak minds discuss people. Remember that there is nothing stable in human affairs. Be kind for everyone you meet in fighting a hard battle, like solving puzzles and solving Sudoku games and solving minds games. It improves my intelligent power. I use a library on a daily basis. A library is not a room, it is a good source of information and knowledge. A library helps us to preserve the past and the present, work to in the future. Exercise. Why physical exercise is vital for a healthy brain and body physical fitness? Through exercise is one of the most common piece of advice advised by medics across the planet. There are many benefits of exercise. A cricketer. Cricket is my one of the hobby. I learned something in cricket, how to play with a team, how to lead a team, sometimes take risk and good decision making. Therefore, take over the team into next level. A swimmer. Swimming is an act. Nobody can swim all on a sudden. It requires a lot of practice. Swimming is not only an art but also good for exercise. It is very good exercise. Those who can swim well can save themselves from drowning. They can save others too. It gives refreshment to me and it gives peaceful mind and also it gives creativeness to the mind. Those are the effects of swimming. A traveler. It's not fun and exciting to travel the world. Others ample research to suggest it's highly beneficial for my physical, mental and emotional health. There is so many things one can achieve from exploring various areas. The list includes gaining new friends, new stories and new experience. Wonderful benefits of traveling. Ensure peace of mind. We are all suffering stress and tension our lives. It teaches me about myself by traveling. I will learn a lot about myself. Traveling helps me connect with different people from different culture that gives me the opportunity to see issues and daily life challenges from a different angle. A NCC student. I finished my base leadership camp in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Institution, Avinashi Road, Coimbatore. I'm a first class C certificate holder. The motto of NCC: unity and discipline. Obey with a smile, be punctual, work hard, make no excuse, and tell no lies. It makes me learn many things which otherwise I won't get a chance to in life. Discipline, basic arms training, team ethics, following orders, various kinds of physical activities, sports, tours to remote areas, etc. In the future, I would like to see my working to make a change in my life, and I want to become one of the richest men in the world. That's why I work hard for it. I always motivate myself, keep myself up. This is my glory. Thank you very much for your watching.